Meet new Pichon with AI tools. Fuel-saving Designer's Assets box. Everything you need to save time on routine tasks and keep your workflow smooth. Choose from thousands of icons, photos, and illustrations. Or add your own images to the library. AI will organize and tag them for you. And don't worry about the storage space. It's unlimited. Now you can quickly find and drag and drop images to your designs, or share any pic in one click. Find similar images in a moment with AI help. Other AI-powered tools will help you skip the painstaking tasks like upscaling images or removing backgrounds. You can process one image or a whole bunch of them at once. One super app instead of a dozen different apps and websites. Jump to new Pichon, a game-changing app to boost your workflow.